हाइक फेलोशिप है हक हमारा भी मांगू अरे मैं भी मांगू हाइक फेलोशिप मैं भी मांगू हाइक फेलोशिप नो रिसर्च हमारी मांगे पूरी करो हाइक फेलोशिप तू भी मांगे हाइक फेलोशिप हम सबका है हाइक फेलोशिप हाइक करो फेलोशिप को हाइक करो हाइक करो फेलोशिप को हाइक करो हम क्या मांगे फेलोशिप हम क्या मांगे हाइक फेलोशिप हम क्या मांगे हाइक फेलोशिप
Yeah, this is our burning issue right now, because as we are the research scholar today, at this moment we came together at this place to raise our voice, to speak about our fellowship hike. And as we already know that we, the research scholars, are struggling so much. They are disbursing amount that is so minimal that is not actually even satisfied for our research work, and we are deprived for that. So I request our MHRD ministry to kindly increase and hike our research fellowship amount, so that we can able to produce, and we can able to generate, and we can able to contribute quality research for our society and our state.
Today's rally is in solidarity with the nationwide protest for the Hike Fellowship. This rally is being led in the entire nation. This is being spearheaded by the All India Research Scholars Association, and we, the research scholars of RGU, are extending solidarity to this movement. The hike is necessary because, you know, when you become a research scholar, you are almost at the age of 25 or 26 or 27 or 28. By the time you get married, that is the fact. Then you have to look after them also. Research is not only just a degree, it's like a career. You have to look after your family members, you have to look after yourself, you have to look after your education. And when we talk about the hike and fellowship, this is not actually a demand also. This should come as a default. This is a certain type of mechanism. It should get rolled in every 4 years. It was supposed to happen last year in April, but it didn't happen. There is the carelessness of our government. Whereas our government, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, he always speaks about youth empowerment. I think last year, few months back, in Madison Square, New York, he told that youth will empower India and it will change India forever. He was telling like that. The 70% of India's population is youth. He always tells like that. And UN also says that the 75% of India's population is youth. Then who are the youth? We are the youth. And if they are not allowing, if they're not giving us enhancement in fellowship and giving us, you know, what we deserve, then how are we supposed to pursue our research? Therefore we demand, this demand is very legitimate, and everyone in this country should support this demand. We have around more than 300 research scholars in RGU. Today, most of them are not here, many of them are in fieldwork and all, but all of them have extended their solidarity. Hiking fellowship should be the topmost priority of Indian government, because without research, nothing can go. In research, it does not only mean the humanities subjects also. We are talking about MTech, we are talking about ISRO, we are talking about lab science and everything. All those things comes under research. We are getting a minimum pay of 5,000, 8,000 per month. How are we supposed to survive with such amount? That is our question to the central government. In last year, in December, Mr. Prakash Javadekar ji, he told that he was very confident. He said that the research would be hiked in, this fellowship would be hiked in January. But where is then? When is this happening? Everything is, all are lies, all are lip service. Therefore, we totally demand hike in fellowship.